Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to create feedback for your Quizmaker questions. This Quizmaker is a golf challenge that I created, and the learner will receive different feedback based on their answers to the questions. So a correct answer will receive reinforcement feedback stating that they answered the question correctly, and an incorrect answer will also receive reinforcement feedback, and this is just a visual, so two different types of feedback for one question. So I'm going to hit false here and click submit, and this is the feedback they'll get, meaning it's incorrect. And when they click next, it'll tell them, looks like you need to brush up on your golf history. And then what's going to happen is, because they answered the question incorrectly, I want them to go back to the beginning. So now I read it again and I choose true and click next, and they'll receive this feedback. And at this point I've set the quiz so it ends, and they can view their results, and here's their feedback. Now the feedback is a great learning opportunity, so always take advantage of that. And there's the question. Let's finish it, and I'm going to show you how you got started doing this. Now I may have to do this in more than one video, so just bear with me. So you notice here that the first thing I have is a group. So you always need to create a group for your question so you can branch your feedback for that specific question. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a new question group. So we're going to create a new question. And then what you can do is you can actually copy this question or this type of question, or you can create a new question. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just copy the feedback slides, Control C there, and I'm going to Control V here, and I'm going to click here, Control C, and down here Control V. So my two feedbacks are there. I have a correct and incorrect. And then I'm just going to create a new graded question. I'm going to make it a multiple choice. I'm going to stick it in there, and I'm going to just enter a question. I'm going to enter a Jeopardy style question. Okay, so that's my question, and they're going to have to answer it in question format. So let's down here write what is the U.S. question, and then what are standard golf rules? Can't type. And down here, what is a playbook? Okay, so the correct answer is B. So now what we're going to do is down here under feedback, we're actually going to click on more here under correct, and we're going to delete the wording here. And right here under branching, what we're going to do is we're going to branch it down to group 2 correct, and just click OK. And we're going to do the same for the incorrect answer. We're going to delete this here, text, and under branching we're going to click on group 2 because that's the group we're working in, and we're going to select incorrect and OK. And then we're going to save this. So that's our branching done, and you can actually move your question up and down within the group. It doesn't lose its order because it already knows where it's going to branch to. So now we can add some specifics into the slides, and here we can just say we can delete some of this and just keep that's correct, your golf history. And when we click more, right here we can tell it what do we want it to do. So we're going to have it finish the quiz and click OK, and we'll save, and we'll do the same for the incorrect. Here we'll click more, and here we're going to tell it, okay, go back to question 1, and then OK. And let's just take this out here. Okay. And we save and close. And if we play that, we'll play that in the next video so you can view it. Let's try it here. See if